Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Adil Shahir. I hope you all are fine. Live your life happily and always grateful to the all blessings of Allah. Once someone asked that why we have brakes in our cars. Many people says different answers. Someone says that to stop the car. Someone says that to reduce the speed, and some other people say the other answers. But here, what he says that it's a shocking answer for me. He says that we have brakes in our cars because we can accelerate our car too much, because we can give speed to our car too much, because we are totally depend or totally believe or some believe in our brakes, because wherever we want we can stop or reduce to our cars, and we can easily we can easily increase our speed of our cars. The same thing is apply in our life. We are always going fast and faster, and we can easily just going down, and we are just easily pressed down over the accelerator of our life, because we are believe that there are brakes in our life. These brakes are our relationships, our family life, our social life, our spiritual life, our happiness life, our students, our teachers, our daughters, our brothers, our sisters, wherever we are, our friends, our family. These all are just behaving as a brakes in our life. So if they are questioning to you that where you are going, that why you are going, that wherever you want to go, and whatever you want, or how much your goals in the or how much time you require to achieve your goals. These are questioning that we are mostly suffer from our parents or our family or our friends. But these all questions are just act as brakes in our life, because we believe that someone is scared about us, someone is behind of us, someone is just prayers for us. And always show your love to these brakes, to this family, to these friends, to these your students or your teachers or whatever who they are. They may be your lover, they may be your wife, they may be your daughters, your sons, your childs, whatever, whoever they are. Always care about these brakes, always care about these people, because how much you press your accelerate in your life, but you always totally believe in the brakes, that you have a way to stop your car, that you have a way to reduce your speed, because they are behind you. Always show your affection to your love. Thank you.